Today, we are going to talk about the top 10 free airdrops to go and earn as of, let's say, January 2025, because there's always new ones. So make sure to go and grab all 10 of these, and you will find all the links down below. But with that said, I did get myself 2 Charizard PSA 10, in case anybody here is interested in Pokemon. Let me know what you think. I do like them a lot. I think they're super cool. We got one in English and one in Japanese. So yeah, there will be the background for the video, and we got a Latios, but it is not graded. I will send it to be graded. But with that said, guys, we start off with the Liquidity Airdrop, and this is a very easy to earn airdrop. So we are going to go down below, first link in the description. And if you do like this type of free videos, make sure to leave a like, very, very important. And once you get to this page, what happens? Well, as we see here, you have one Litecoin, one Ethereum, and one Bitcoin, which is why you're going to be having the possibility to do it. With this, you will go and borrow, as we see over here, the USDT, which I already done, and you will put as collateral your one token that you do have. Click over on borrow, and you will have the possibility to go and borrow the USDT. I want to borrow, USDT. You will go and borrow this one. And you do the same with the Ethereum. You go over here, you go and put the one, as we all get one for this testnet. It is free on a testnet, and the same for Ethereum. After you've done that, you will borrow your total allocation, and then you go to provide liquidity. Click on provide liquidity, go and lock your token, your USDT token. Very, very simple, as we see over here. For example, lock them, and then that's it. Simple as this. All you gotta do is, through the step down below, borrow some USDT with the token that you get as a testnet token, and then that is it. Let it go. Check the leaderboard if you want to every once in a while, but super, super easy. This is the dashboard as we see, and that is it. Super simple. Link in the description. Make sure to go and join today. Next up, which I do really, really like, is this one over here. This is the SooValue. And SooValue is, first of all, a beautiful platform which allows you to go and check all of the charts: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, just like CoinMarketCap, what goes up, what goes down, the trends, the news feed as well. You got everything from analytics to ETFs analytics to spot ETFs, stablecoin market cap, etc. But if you go on the top right over here, oh, by the way, with the link that you will receive from the description, make sure to go and follow them. It is very important that you get B1. B1 is where you will receive your airdrop allocation. So make sure to reach B1. And over here, we got the daily check-ins. And then we got a few quests to go and get yourself as much points as possible. And the points that get you the more points, which will give you to B1, if you scroll down over to the missions, which you will be able to find by simply clicking over to here on the top right, if you go out of this page, underneath here, you have install desktop app, install mobile app, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then connect Google, connect Discord, connect Twitter, follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram community. So very, very easy, as you see over here. And make sure to go and have daily check-ins. Make sure to go and grab it every time, and make sure to reach B1. B1 is super, super important. That's how you will get the airdrop, and that it is. Then, of course, go and utilize the platform a bit. Go and check out some tokens. You can see the graphs of every token, as we see over here. For example, with Ethereum, you can go and check the graph. Just like TradingView, you can have the 1 day, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, whichever one you want. Super easy to use. And by the way, I think it's super nice also as a platform. Following up, we have the Plaza Finance. Now, Plaza Finance is a super nice airdrop. And by the link down below, you will receive and you will get to your dashboard page over here. Now, this is also very new, so you still have time to go and do it. Absolutely, yes. Through the link down below, you will receive over here. Go to the Get Test Token, as we see over here. Click on Get Test Token. You will receive your daily once-a-day test token. And if you go and see over here to points and reward or leaderboards, we can go and check the leaderboards. This is a protocol that you need to go and do it on a daily basis, because people are very, attracted to it. And this is a daily thing. And as we see over here, on a daily, you can get points by creating bond, redeeming bond, creating leverage token, redeeming leverage token, and everything. But the most important one are these 4 actions. And what do you do? Well, once you get to this page, you will receive, as we just saw, your test tokens. Once you receive your test token, go to earn and leverage. On earn and leverage, you simply have to buy the token with the one that you received, and then sell the token. So do that, and you get 4 points for every transaction. You do it on earn, you do it on leverage. Simple as this. Sell again, and then buy again. I've already done mine today, so I'm not gonna go and do it again. You don't get extra point by spamming the protocol. And that is as simple as it gets. You collect the points, and with the points as well, the points and rewards over here, you do have an NFT, which by scaling it, by doing it consistently on a day-to-day basis, you will receive and grab all of these rewards. I'm on my way to level 6. Let me know if you already participated with level you are. The aim, of course, is to reach level 8 with 1,500 points. I reached 619 points, as you saw before. I do have 619 points in about 2 weeks. But as you see, I do it on a daily basis. Every day I come here, I do this simple action. It takes like 2 minutes. So simply set a reminder, or if you wish, of course, make sure to support me over on Patreon if you want to go that extra step. And I have daily calls with you, daily text message over on the private Discord server, daily text and reminding as well on the Patreon page if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. The link is down below. And there you will have a full list of 100 plus airdrop that it is free to join, bridging airdrop, AI airdrop, testing airdrop, everything. I will give you the list to all of them who are subscribed to the Patreon. But as you see here, I do this on a daily basis, and that is how you need to do it to go and level up. Following up, we have the Unich airdrop right here. Now, this is a nice airdrop. And why do I believe in it? Well, it is going to be an exchange, and we've seen it that if they are able to go and copy what Hyperlane did, Hyperliquid did, or any other protocol, the exchange really do good. I do believe in 2025, and this bull run, they will do amazingly well. So it is a tap to earn. So all you gotta do is simply come here and tap this one to go and earn it. Super simple, super easy, the way you should do it, which it is very nice. On top of that, it also has a few quests, and that is it. Follow them on Twitter, join their Discord, join their Telegram, all free tasks as we see over here. And on a daily basis, you go and grab your points. Simple as that. There's nothing else you gotta do. It is going to come soon. It is on a testnet. It is easy to go and learn. So simply sign up, remember yourself, or join the Patreon if you wish as well. Get reminded every day to do this, as it is super important. Following up, another free airdrop is the Blockscout over here. Now, this one is every day you come over here and you claim every 12 hours your merits. You have a streak as well. And we have here soon the activity is going to be available soon. And how do you earn? By, also getting on board then? Well, Blockscout, it's a block explorer. So simply go around, check a few transactions. If you have any transactions, go and check your transaction or token transfer, users operation. Just have a look around, be a normal user. What does somebody do, for example, in a platform like this? Well, you go and put your search engine, you go and put a token, for example, Ethereum over here. You go and look for the Ethereum token. You check everything EtherFi. Just go around and have a look. Sign up, have a look. Very important that you do come to the place over here. As we saw it, here is the merits. Simply click over here, and every 12 hours, make sure to go and claim your merits. Next up, we have this one here. This is the variational airdrop testnet. And what you gotta do, it is very simple. Connect your wallet through the link down below. And what are you going to be receiving in this page? Well, you need to go and get your test token. You need to grab your testnet token, which it is really easy. All you gotta do on the top over here, you can transfer if you do have some funds. As with here, we got the wallet balance. This is all on a testnet. Or simply, if you click your wallet over here, test USDC, claim your test USDC once you come. Transaction submitted. If it is going to be available to do it, and then you will receive it over here, and then you simply transfer them. This is all on a testnet operation. So you transfer them from Arbitrum Sefolia all the way to this platform over here, which as we see now, we do have, and simply go and open a few positions, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Sushi. Go and open a few. For example, let's go over to Aave and just simply click over here, just bring it, deposit confirm, as we see. So now we got the funds, and simply go and have some bit of a fun, click some buttons around, accept the transactions, create some position over on this testnet protocol, as we see here. And that is it. Simple as that. For example, let's take this football team token. We can go and say, oh, it is going to go bad, so let's go and sell this token. Super simple. Sell it. So basically short and long the market, and that is it. This is all you gotta do. Nothing crazy. Simply play around, touch some buttons here and there, and you're good to go. So this is absolutely easy to do. Following up, the Sentiment airdrop over here, it is a simply sign up. As of right now, we are still on the beta testnet situation. So simply go and sign up, which we have done. The link is down below for you to go and do it. And that is it. Next up, we have the One Football club airdrop. And once again, this is another sign up activity which you gotta do daily check-in. So click over here, daily check-in, and once again, this is why it's important for you to set a reminder to do the daily activities, follow them, have answers these quiz, and simply the more you are connected to it, the more days you do it, the more points you will have, and the more possibility to go through the other people you will have. So simply do all the quests, and that is it. Following up, we have the common.fi, it's AK demo common.fi. And once you land onto this landing page, simply click on top up. Start by topping up your amount with some test tokens, which they will send to you automatically. As you see here, 13 is going to top up to 23. So first of all, go to Shield, put 50% over to your Shield account, which we have it over here. As you see, this is a shielded token, and then send the token over here. Let's send a 75% of this token. Receiving address, simply put whichever they give you over here. Click on send and do them. Very important, as we see over here, to do them on a regular basis. And then over here from the shielded account, simply send everything to your friend's account once again from the shielded account, which is what you've done. So simply do every possible interaction that you can. And this is top up, shield, send, and send. As easy as that. It finishes over here, and this is all you gotta do. Also, we have the Kaiser airdrop over here, which it is kind of like the grass and the node base situation which we had a while back. Download the extension, collect points. Very important, if you go over here to the reward page, which is where I can see all of you, we have pending 236 of you. This is because every referral will become qualified once the referral reaches 6 hours of uptime, which means if you do not receive 6 hours of uptimes, you will not be eligible for the airdrop. It literally says it over here. So have it at least for 6 hours. Then we got lucky draw that you get from your points. You can go and simply, spin this, and whatever it lands, you got some USDT, you got some NFT Genesis, you got some points, and it is as simple as this, as well as the kiosk over here for all of the rewards that you get throughout this period. And also to go and receive some, extra points, you got the mission page. And the mission page is this one. Claim it on a daily basis, join their Discord, achieve 24 hours, 48 hours of uptime, vote 5 stars, etc. Super simple, easy to do. Of course, all of them are free to go and do. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this Sunday's top 10 free airdrops to go and earn, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.